iPhone users love their devices. But one common problem faced by that pocket-sized box of wonder is that the battery life never outlasts the fun. If your iPhone can't make it the entire day without needing a recharge, then certain apps might be the reason why. And this Komando DIY will give you the 5 apps and their settings that could be draining your battery. First up is Facebook. In the settings menu, scroll to the Facebook app icon and tap location. In this menu, you can decide when you want Facebook to access your location. Another setting to change is background app refresh. Click on settings and under the general tab, click background app refresh. Scroll down to the Facebook icon and toggle off. Now let's nix those notifications. Tap on settings, then click on notifications. Select the Facebook app and toggle allow notifications off. Google Maps is another app that zaps your battery power, so you'll want to change those location and notification settings. Just like you did with Facebook, click on your iPhone settings and scroll to Google Maps. Click on Location, select the option to Ask Next Time. Follow the same steps to get to notifications. Select Google Maps and toggle notifications off. Snapchat could be juicing your battery dry, so try disabling live location. In the Snapchat app, go to Settings, then My Location. Toggle the Ghost Mode option on, and that's it. If you use WhatsApp, disabling notifications can help extend the life of your battery. Go to Settings on your iPhone, select WhatsApp, and toggle off. One final tip for saving your iPhone's battery life could mean switching to a lighter version of Messenger. Yes, there really is an app for that. It's called Messenger Lite. Facebook describes it as its data-efficient messaging app, and you can get it free in the App Store. Battery power is something we could all use a little more of, and with just a few simple steps, you'll be on your way to battery life bliss. To keep your digital know-how going, visit our website, Komando.com, where you'll find news, videos, how-tos, and so much more.
Hey, thanks for watching. Now a few things. Don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more digital know-how, check out all these other great links.